How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise bottoms and tops in the stock market, where I use a unique system that I have developed for over 6 years to keep me in the market month after month and make consistent profits as a full-time trader. Now, before I get right into my system and the stock I'm going to talk about, I have a premium Discord. It's only $6 a month, and you get my exact entries and exits, and I'll put that into the YouTube comments below in description if you want to visit it. Let's talk about VKTX. I know a lot of people are been telling me to do a reversal watch list on this and see if we can catch the top and what are we kind of looking at. And I want to go over the system here and kind of show you how we are nearing into a top and a bubble on this thing and can make massive money on prints here. I want to first start off with the weekly. So the weekly is obviously a very strong signal when you go higher up to lower time frames. So when you look at this system, the bands on the red, the color red, my upper band, it means a sell zone. You get some type of correction, and usually to the blue band is where price always has to correct to, and that's where price is always in waves hitting that blue band. So as you can see, hits this, goes down, corrects it, and then hits this blue band, goes up, and then goes corrects it, hits this. So what I like to look for is go on to the weekly just to get a confirmation to see if this is going to be a buy or a sell. In this scenario, it is a sell, and then I'll go to lower time frames for a precise entry. So we are way above the red band for the first time in history in ever this stock. And so then I want to go to the daily, and I want to see the exact same thing. Way above it, we have this big black gap fill. You don't get on this one. This is the first move up. You kind of wait. Here's the second, and as you can see, we're topping out right in here. And then our conservative target would be an easy $78. And then you can go all the way down to $45.92, which it won't go there. I suspect right in here in the middle, because this blue band is going to go up if price kind of stagnates, or because what you're seeing right here is when price goes all the way up, the green band goes down, the red goes all the way up because price is trying to correct to it, is what you're getting. And as you can see in the daily time frame, you get more of these blue band touches. So here's your buy zone at $8. It goes up, gets a nice gain. Right here's a buy zone, goes up, and it goes over here. Here's a sell zone, goes down, and then. But as I said too, we do not just get in right away when it hits the red or the green band. We want to look also for the KDJ, and I'm going to show you why that is important. Right here at the top of this candle, we have a K of 90. Our RSI is 96, but I don't go by that because you can get on this candle, you'll be like, oh wow, that's extremely overbought, and then it goes up some more. So you want to look at that K. A higher K, the more oversold or overbought it is. I like to look for at least over 90. I've seen things go to 94 and they tank pretty fast. But what I like about this reversal type of play is that we had this big gap fill right in here, an easy target of around $78, and with puts, as you can see, an $88 move to 78 is a $10 move, and that is massive, massive money that you can make on some puts. So keep that in mind, right? So we're getting all the confirmations, weekly, daily, and then I go into another time frame to get a precise entry. But that is how the system works. You're not just randomly buying candles. I prefer like to buy instead because I like to hold shares. So right here was the best buy signal ever for this thing. We had a very nice close to this green band, and it's just been running up ever since from $8 all the way up, to $80, $90. That is insane, that kind of move. Now, can anyone predict that? Absolutely not. We're all human. We would have took it out way before that, and because no one knows when their stock is going to be the next moon stock, right? So this is what we're looking at. Nice reversal type setup. And if you guys enjoy these kind of reversals and you want to be in a community where we find tops and bottoms and we all share ideas, join the premium Discord. I said in the beginning, it is only $6. You won't regret it. If you don't like it, you can cancel anytime on your own. There's no hassle. But it really we follow a system, right? We know our potential target. That is your blue band. That is where price has to correct to on the daily. And I recorded certain time frames, but we don't just sell on the blue band. I do have some rules that I can't discuss all in this one video. So I do have a setup video right in here where you can copy my indicators and my setup, and I have a discussion on how to use it in a longer video. I just wanted to talk about VKTX because this one is looking primed for a nice put play. Obviously, I liked it. I mentioned it yesterday up in here, but I didn't make the video yet. So if we do obviously test these highs, that is A plus setup in my opinion. But what you want to look for is these big blacks of gap, black gaps right in here to the upper band, so it gives you a kind of an easier setup to make those nice gains. But that's the setup right here, guys. I'm really loving it. $6 a month, guys, if you want to be part of a premium Discord that has over a 90% win rate, and we've been on a massive win streak of just making a lot of money, and it's honestly just giving you a system that you are confident in, and once you learn it, you will love it. And as long as you're patient and you follow my accumulation rules that I talk about, as I do here in the trade alerts, you'll be fine. Like I said, I do give out trade alerts, and you can decide to take my trades that I have been in the market for over 6 years. If you want to take my trades, you can do that too. But it's like an old big education vault, you know. I want you guys to succeed, and obviously I want to succeed, so I want to make money, and everyone wants to make money, right? So if you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think. I'm all for ideas, and that will help the YouTube algorithm go out to other retail traders and just say, hey, here is a top, here is a bottom, this is the community if you want to be in it. Because obviously if you're looking at this stock, you're looking kind of for a reversal, right? So I would really appreciate if you like that. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the Discord, and peace out.